All right, guys. So we got this little dude. We got this little dude moving around, but no jump. We do have gravity, so that's what we need to work on now. So we need to work on how do we get a jump. So we're gonna go to controller. We're gonna find on a button press, and then we're gonna go back to sprites, and this is the same one as before. We're looking for this set my sprite x to 0. And what we're gonna do here is give this guy, every time we hit the button, some speed upwards. Well, since speed or velocity in this case, straight up, and acceleration can work with or against one another, gravity will pull them back down, right? So one goes up, let's come down. So we gotta make them go up. And that's gonna be with a vertical velocity. So that's velocity in the Y direction. And remember, acceleration was positive as it moved down. Well, negative will be as it moves up. So let's just set it to negative, I don't know, 100. And then we'll see what happens. So I hit the space bar, let's get over menu. And he jumps, right? But, oh, gotta get rid of the double jump. That's our next quick video.